We are going to install some Incision links onto our Axial SCX10 II. How's it going, guys? Colin here with Trax RC, and today we have episode 19 of the Axial SCX10 II upgrade series. If you are not familiar with this upgrade series, this is where we purchase products for our Axial SCX10 II, we install them, and then we let you guys know what we think of that product. In the previous episode of this upgrade series, we installed the RC 4-wheel drive worn winch, and we also installed the RC 4-wheel drive wired winch control unit. Today, we will be installing the Incision 12.3-inch wheelbase stainless steel link kit. So here is the part number to the link kit if you want to check them out. We will also put a link in the description where you can find these. So this link kit does include all the links that you need to replace all the stock plastic links that you have on your Axial SCX10 II. So now there are other stainless steel link kits out there on the market, but Incision just makes the highest quality parts, so that's why we decided to go with the Incision. Yes, they can be a little pricey, but it is definitely worth the price for the durability that you're getting. So let's open this link kit up and check them out. So included in the package, you do get all the links you need. And you also do get some rod ends with stainless steel pivot balls. So it's really nice that they went ahead and included the stainless steel pivot balls. You also do get an instruction manual. So this RC still does have a 12-inch wheelbase, but with this link kit, we're going to convert it over to a 12.3-inch wheelbase. So there are a couple of benefits of getting stainless steel links. One of the benefits is that it will obviously add a lot more durability than the plastic links. Another benefit is it will add a lot more weight down low, which is where you want weight on your RC crawler, and that will help the performance. So before you go ahead and install the links onto the cart, you do need to put the pivot balls and the rod ends on all of the links, and that is the most boring process in the hobby. So we're going to go ahead and do that off camera so we don't waste your guys' time. So now we have all the rod ends on our links, and we want to give you guys a couple of tips to make this installation a little bit easier for you guys. You will want a couple of tools, including a shock tool. This helps with getting the pivot balls into the rod ends. You will also want some pliers for holding the links, and also a T-wrench to stick in the pivot balls while you're trying to install the rod end. So we did not install rod ends on our drag link and tie rod, and that is because the Vanquish VS410 chassis kit includes a already metal drag link and tie rod. So now that we're done putting the rod ends on the links, we can go ahead and install the links onto the car. So the first thing that you're going to want to do to install these links is remove all 4 of the tires. Now that we have all 4 of the tires removed, you're going to want to remove this screw and this screw using your 2mm hex driver in order to remove the steering link. So now that you have those 2 screws removed, you can take off the stock steering link and reinstall the new Incision steering link using those same 2 screws. So now that we have the Incision steering link installed, we can remove this screw right here and this screw right here on both sides to remove the front lower links. Now that we have the stock links removed, now is a good time to also remove the front upper link by removing this screw and also this screw right here. Now that we have the front upper link removed, we can install the Incision links using the reverse process. So now that we have replaced all the links in the front, it's time to replace all the links in the back. First, you're going to want to remove this screw right here, this screw right here, this screw right here, and also this one screw up here. You're also going to want to remove this screw right here, this screw right here, and this screw right here. That should remove all the stock rear links. Now that we have all the stock rear links removed, we can go ahead and again do the reverse process to install the new Incision rear link. So now that we have all the rear links back on the car, we can go ahead and install the tires. We are done with this install. So guys, these links look sweet on this RC car. And not only do they look good, but they will also add a ton of performance benefits, being as they're low to the ground and they will add a lot of weight. They also add durability benefits because obviously they're replacing stock plastic links. So as far as the installation went, links are links. They're just not fun to install because you have to put all the rod ends on and then you gotta throw them all in the car, and it just can sometimes be a frustrating process that takes a little while. So we would definitely recommend these Incision links. We have no complaints on them, and we hope that you guys enjoyed this episode of the SCX10 II upgrade series. If you did, like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time on Trax RC.